In this video, I'm going to take you through the eSysco site for purchasing dry goods. On the left here, you'll notice the product catalog. There's a canned and dry section, as well as paper and disposable, chemical and janitorial, supply, and equipment. I'm going to go into canned and dried for our food products. That'll break us down into further categories of baking needs, batter, breaded, and stuffing items, breakfast food and cereal items, baby or strained food, pureed food, I'm assuming, specific Asian product, candy and nuts. Let's go into candy and nuts. It breaks it down further. We'll click on nuts. This will take us then into our nut page. Our first item here is walnut halves and pieces actually. It comes in 3 2-pound bags, Sysco Classic, and is $69.56 for the total of 6 pounds of walnut halves and pieces. Next is pecan pieces, sunflower kernels, almonds blanched. It continues down then. You'll notice here with the almonds sliced, you can get the full case or it does split. If you order 1 or 2 bags, so that would be a 2-pound bag for $24.11. It is a little cheaper to get the full case rather than splitting the item open. You'll notice the numbers, the UPCs, are identical. It's just a matter of a split or a single unit. You'll notice the each versus the case. Pine nuts then are going to be sold in a 5-pound case. Most of our specialty nuts will be sold in 5 pounds. Here you can see your pecan half fancy, $90.37 for that 6-pound case. It does not split. This is one of the items you'll need for your purchasing portfolio. Cashews are an item that does split. Again, I can get a single 2-pound bag, or I can get the 3 2-pound bags in a full case. As I continue down, I'll get more into my specialty nuts, as well as different blends. There's a lot of different peanuts, and here you can see I'm going to start getting into my remote stock items, so specialty items that need to be ordered ahead of time. Let's look at another category here. Here we have some pasta products. Pasta then is broken down into your spaghetti, macaroni, noodles, pasta long versus pasta short. Let's check out our short pasta to begin with. Our first item here is penne pasta. It comes in 2 10-pound bags for $22.32. Rotini, here's another penne. Here this comes in 20 1-pound boxes, individually packaged in the same 20 pounds, and the price is about $1 more. We have shells, rigatoni, ditalini. There's a lot of pictures here to make sure you're getting the right product you're looking for as well. Gemelli, which is more of a tighter spiral. It's actually 2 different strands spiraled together. Raditori is a new popular one. Cavatappi is all over the place, or shetty are like little ears. There's so many different styles of pasta. Most are coming in 20-pound cases, 2 10-pound bags per case. Let's look at our long pasta. We have linguine, capellini, which is angel hair, vermicelli, which is right in between spaghetti and angel hair. We have fettuccine, again coming in 2 10-pound bags, or here we have 21-pound boxes or 1-pound bags. 20 pounds seems to be the average for most pastas. Now let's look at our rice. Starting off at the top, we have a fancier arborio rice, which is coming in 10 1-kilogram packages. But as we continue down, we'll see a lot more variety and choices as well. Jasmine rice here, we can buy a 25-pound bag. There's long grain rice, 50-pound bag, as well as parboiled rice. I believe the Chef's Apprentice uses the parboiled rice in a 25-pound case. Here you can get varieties of different rices, and we'll continue to scroll down, and you'll see varieties of different sizes as well. Anything from 12 2-pound packages for 24 pounds. Here's 6 36-ounce packages, 50-pound bag. There's a large variety here. Here's that parboiled rice that you can see was ordered on March 10th in a 25-pound case for $15, less than $1 a pound of rice. I generally will purchase our rice from Uncle Ben's. The Uncle Ben's brand packages 2 bags per case. Here's two 5-pound bags of jasmine rice for $20. Roughly, it's giving me about $2 per pound for my rice. As I continue down my arborio here, is $29.93 for 10 pounds. Basmati, $22.85 for the 10 pounds. This converted rice, this is what I use most often for our long grain rice. I do prefer getting the 2 10-pound bags though, versus getting the 1 25-pound bag below. And there are a lot of different varieties and choices when it comes to your rice. We can go into grains and look specifically at what other grains eSysco has to offer. You'll see the pearl barley, and then quinoa, and yellow cornmeal. They're marketing as polenta. Otherwise, almost all of the other grains they have are going to be remote stock items. Here's your kasha and your millet. Here's a 9-grain mix for breads. I get more quinoa. You'll see black, red, a variety of different colors of quinoa here. Different polentas, as well as, again, more specialty grains. To find our dried legumes, our dried beans and split peas, we'll go on vegetable and fruit dried, vegetables dried, and here it'll bring up not a huge variety, but we do have our lentils in a 20-pound case, navy beans, split peas, northern beans, turtle black beans, pinto beans. I generally will get these pinto beans. The 20-pound case is what I currently have for us to use for blind baking in our baking classes. More beans are readily available through the canned section. Going into canned vegetables here, again we'll have a large variety of different vegetables that it'll be separated into. If we click on beans here, it'll bring up a variety of beans, and now what looks like 6 number 10. That refers to 6 number 10 cans. These number 10 cans hold on the average of 12 cups. 12 cups, which averages to about 6 pounds, but it depends on the contents inside. As we know, things do not all measure and weigh the same amount. So at the top you have your pinto beans. 6 number 10 cans then, if they were 6 pounds each, would be 36 pounds for $26.21. I've included a lot of these items on a pricing guide for you so that you can specifically reference them and check out the items as you would like to. I start off with the nuts and go into the rice, grains, and different seeds and specialty products. Then there are some dried legumes as well as pastas. And then I do have some more canned products, canned beans here with the dried beans, to be able to give you something to reference back to. There is no pricing assignment this week that you'll need to reference these specifically. However, your purchasing portfolio does include a lot of these items specifically. They will be included in the pricing guide sent to you, but for example, pecan half fancy. This is a 2-pound bag case, which means 6 pounds per case. Again, $90.37. This is a current price as of April 10th. The pricing packet that you have may have a different price on it, which was taken the day the packet was put together. Please ensure that you use that information. This is just an inside look at eSysco and purchasing dry goods. Again, there are many, many varieties, but at least this will cover a few of the very large groups. Thank you.